My name's Emily Kile, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Kile and Kupaszewski Law Firm. We're going to talk just a little bit about basic estate planning. So estate planning, the goal is to make sure that we understand what your goals and wishes were. Who would you want to make decisions for healthcare or financial decisions? What about your end-of-life choices? Would you want to have heroic measures, maybe in certain circumstances, or not at all? So don't think about estate planning as something that's just for the wealthy. It really is about making sure that we can meet your goals. Remember that your estate planning can also say who should be a guardian for maybe you have an incapacitated spouse or a minor child or a child with disabilities. That's our opportunity to make sure that your goals are reached in terms of who should be that person in charge of making decisions for that other person. The basic estate planning documents are a healthcare power of attorney and a living will for end-of-life decisions, probably a financial power of attorney so somebody can manage your assets. And even if you have a trust, you should have a financial power of attorney because not all of your assets will be in the trust. Things like your retirement accounts or your life insurance probably aren't titled to your trust. And then you need a last will and testament, again, even if you have a trust. So if you have a trust, your last will and testament will say all of your assets go pursuant to the terms of the trust. If you don't have a trust, then your last will and testament is the place that we say where your property should go when you pass away, whether that's your personal effects, your real estate, your bank accounts, your vehicle, whatever that property might be. Also in that document, we nominate somebody called a personal representative. That's called an executor in some other states, but here in Arizona, it's called a personal representative. And that's the person who has the authority to make all those determinations and to ensure that your final bills are paid and that your tax returns are done and that your property is managed correctly. And your will only springs to life once you pass away. You can also have a trust. Trusts are effective the moment you sign them. And so that's to manage money today, upon incapacity, and after your death. I think of a trust as the rule book for what do we do with your belongings, how do we manage your property in the event that you're unable to do that for yourself going forward. So all of those documents are very, very important. Also in Arizona, we have a mental health power of attorney in the event that you needed inpatient psychiatric treatment so that we can avoid a guardianship, which is a court proceeding, which we talk about in a different video. So I hope you'll consider putting together an estate plan so that we can know what your goals are and who you would like to make those decisions. So thanks so much for listening. And if you'd like to reach somebody in our office, you can do so via email or give us a call at 480-348-1590. Thank you so much.